Howdy. Today I have a review for you of the LEGO Marvel Superheroes set number 76185, Spider-Man at the Sanctum Workshop. This set comes with 355 pieces, 4 minifigures, and retails in the United States for $40. Let's get into it. This Doctor Strange minifigure comes with a hard rubber cape, and although he looks very similar to one that comes in several sets, he is actually exclusive to this set. I guess this is the No Way Home version that came out before the Multiverse of Madness version. His other face has an angry expression, and he has some nice back printing and leg printing. Next up we have Wong, who is very inaccurate, but is also exclusive to this set. I like his printing, but he doesn't have a secondary face. Next up we have MJ, who does kinda look like Zendaya. She has a nice hairpiece and a plaid jacket, overall a pretty solid minifigure. She is exclusive to this set, and at this time I don't believe she will come in any others. Her secondary face is happy, while her first face is a little bit confused. Moving on to the star of the show, we have Spider-Man, who has some great printing and used to be exclusive to this set, but now comes in the Spider-Man Final Battle set. This set comes with 3 bags for an unexceptional build. The first bag is used to build a monster that I don't even think appears in the movie. This set does come with a sticker sheet. I don't put stickers on because at $40 it should be printed. I do like the computer screen sticker though. You'll also get a small pack of Spider-Man accessories that I still haven't opened because I have so many of these. Here's the aforementioned monster that the first bag builds. Let me know if you remember it, I certainly don't. This set could have easily been $30 without this little guy, and honestly that's probably the reason that it flopped so hard in retail. The build isn't all that interesting, and it's just kind of irrelevant to the workshop. Moving on to the main build, I don't think it's particularly attractive, but it is quite nice. It comes with a lot of dark orange masonry bricks, which I always find very pleasing. It adds a great amount of texture to the build, and it really does look like the basement of the Sanctum Sanctorum. For some reason, there's a blue bike mounted to the wall, which is pretty cool, but I don't remember happening in the movie. Over here on the left, we have a little green alien trying to escape from a treasure box. This office chair behaves exactly like an office chair and spins 360 degrees. This shelf is full of trinkets that give a great amount of detail to the build. Back here on this section that broke off, we have a little trophy and a fountain maybe? I'm not quite sure what it's supposed to be. Overall, the angles of this build actually make it pretty hard to display because it takes up so much more room than it should. Over here on the right, we have a controller that sits on a couch, the bike again, a couple wrenches and other tools, a bucket, and some drawers that can open up. Inside there's a yellow syringe. I'm unaware of the significance of that. Looking at the rear of the set, we don't have a lot going on. I do really like this geode piece and I'm glad to get it in this set finally. On the right there's a whole rock face with spiders on top. I don't remember that in the movie at all. Overall, this set isn't the worst. I think it could have benefited from being more like a diorama like the Bro Thor's New Asgard set. I really like that set, and this set just is too spaced out to even be displayable. It barely fits on my shelf. All of the minifigures were at one point exclusive, so I'd say that's a pretty good thing. Unfortunately, Spider-Man now comes in a new set. Doctor Strange could come in another set. Wong might. MJ, I'm not sure if she will. There will definitely be various versions released in the future of all of these minifigures. For $40, I'm not gonna lie, it's a garbage price. The set's not very good. Maybe for $30 it would have been better. The parts that go into this set are very good, but it just can't justify that price. Thank you guys for watching my review. If you enjoyed it, let me know in the comments, or leave a like and subscribe, as that's always appreciated. I have some more similar reviews on my channel if you want to check them out too. See ya.